Cook good and look good. What's up? It's your girl Queemie Jones, and this is a quick PSA. I'm just letting you guys know. I during the editing process, I realized I was cussing a lot, so this might be the one you hide your wife and your kids. Okay, I don't want to give you no assumptions like this is some kid content. So don't, if you're a child, click off of this. You ain't even supposed to be over here or right now. Not right now. Now this is not a video for you. As you making lemonade, you should make you some lemonade. Okay? This is not that video for your children. This is for strictly for the real. You feel me? I ain't gonna keep you. Peace. Enjoy the video. Look, I just did a whole fucking Zoom, and I didn't screen record because I thought tech would be teching and shit, but I'm not even gonna fucking finesse. I have to be on my A game with this shit and get more rest and get space, bro. I am trying at everything I fucking can not to lose my freaking shit. And I'm gonna be real, it's hard as hell because I'm like a very creative person and I can make something out of nothing all the time, but damn. I'm tired of giving this same long winded speech because it hurts my feelings to even say shit like this aloud. Like, I feel ungrateful and shit because there's people who have nothing and I have a lot and I shouldn't be upset. I just know that I will work hard to gain more. I'm sorry I dig in my ears, but for whatever reason when I cry my ears drip. So that's not what I'm really on right now. I fucking don't care. But I just can't stand the feeling of it just starting to like drip all the way down my ears like it's tears. But anyway, I'm really fucking tired, bro. And I really do things to cut short my pain, talk about it, and figure out how to strategize better. Bro, I want to tell you that when it comes to making content, this is not what you do when you're fucking bored. This is what you do when you have intention. This is what you do when you have specific fucking goals. This is what you do when you've been in hospitals and fucking situations where you've been in padded rooms and had to get fucking sedated and shit. This is what I do. So, all bullshit aside, that's why I fight so hard and that's why I'm taking it personal because I'm like, I have to get it to fucking together. But at the end of the day, I'm not even on no weird shit. I'm just on some strategic fucking placement. And I'm trying to do my best to keep my head up and not feel weird about shit that I cannot fucking control. Like, bruh, yes, I could have screen recorded and I could have checked, but the way the episode was recorded, we just needed to do good content. We just needed to try. You know, I needed to learn that mistake so I'd never do that again. Like, but there's been times I do these episodes where I'm just so anal. I'm like, we got to do it like this. We got to do it like that. And I got to fix it like this. And I have to script it like that. And all that and this. And it's like, bruh. When it comes to bringing this shit to live platforms or putting this on YouTube, it's some real deal shit we're going and experiencing. Like, I'm really the only producer. I'm really the only person that can do this type of editing until my partner learns how to do it. I'm not saying that they can't accomplish the goal, but right now I'm the one who's doing this. And it's like, I was never very tech savvy. So I have to fucking not have excuses for my excuses and just get it to fucking together. Like, there is no other route besides escalation. And I'm doing my best not to start crying again, because I'm just like, bitch, what if I pass out? But here's the thing, if I pass out, I know that I was escalating. So that's the thing. When it comes down to it, I have to be really honest and willing to be vulnerable and raw, because motherfucker, ain't nobody else showing up and being me or taking my place or none of that shit. Like, nobody is doing an alternatity on me. And I'm tired and I'm being mad about shit, but I can't fix everything. And I'm learning that as a woman. Like, I can't be the cure-all, be-all for everything and anything. I will make fucking mistakes. I need to accept it, not make excuses for it, and just be alright. I'm going to say that one more time so I don't cry. Because I did not like when I fucking fell. Oh, Lord, no, I don't. Ooh, I fucking hate it. Because it's just like, so you don't take seriously that you just have problems and you, that's my nigga passing. You don't take seriously that you have problems. Like, you don't want to, you don't take seriously, you're not moving fast enough, you're not studying hard enough, you haven't taken enough notes enough, but you've read the material, but you've done this, you can't, like, there's sometimes I just can't pat my motherfucking self on the back, bro, and I'll just be mad and shit, because I'll be like, damn, I really can change the world if I just, like, believe, you feel me? This was a rant, this was a tangent, but I'm pushing out my deliverance, and I know that I just have to take these moments and reflect like how I'm doing now, and be cool with monetizing my pain, because shit, I be making fucking mistakes, and I need to acknowledge that I made a big mistake, but also, I'm gonna be real. And this is going to sound very contradictory. When you are creating the best cannabis podcast this side of the Mississippi, and depending on which side of the Mississippi, you know which one I'm talking about, you know you're going to do some high shit and you're going to mess up. This is where cannabis heads get the freaking stereotype. But I will say this. It took a lot for me, and I flipped the camera. You see this? I don't know if you can see that. That's what it looks in the back here. But when you look over here, it's set up. Okay? This shit all together. I've got like $500 worth of equipment, including the phone. I got the Mac because I couldn't edit my podcast properly. So sometimes when you take an L, you gotta realize your freaking blessings. And as much as I want to make shit picture perfect, ain't nothing fucking perfect if you don't make it worth it. And it's times like these that make me say, nigga, please, I'ma stack this motherfucking bread, get this cheese, aka slay. And when I decay away, they gon' know that my legacy is here to stay. And I got this on recording because I'm gonna get this content done anyway. And yes, my sister gonna have to bleep out a lot of shit. But she that chick, hashtag, that's why she gonna be hella relevant. And I want you to know before I end this rant, I'ma shout out the other one, the one who came out as the 3. Yeah, she actually the biggest homie. Intellect on quality. She gonna have more money than fucking me. I said what I said. Alright, y'all. It's your girl Queen Jones, and I know I was about to cry, and I might cry when I get off of here because I still might need to get this shit out. I feel it right in here. I hate failure, but it's part of it, and I'm gonna be real with you. Gotta be willing to make the motherfucking sacrifices to be able to make it to the top.